प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि लोग अक्सर फ्लैशी स्टफ के पीछे भागते हैं, जो जो बेसिक चीजें हैं, नीडेड स्टफ है, उसको इग्नोर कर देते हैं। सिमिलरली कम्युनिकेशन इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट क्रूशियल स्किल। आप जितने अच्छे हो उतने बेटर आपके करियर प्रोग्रेशन के चांसेस हैं। तो मेरी कम्युनिटी में भी लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि हाउ कैन वी इम्प्रूव कम्युनिकेशन। सो वी थॉट कि एक कम्युनिकेशन में पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड किया जाए, सो दैट एवरीवन हु वॉचेस दिस पॉडकास्ट कैन गेट सम एक्शनेबल इंसाइट्स। सो इस पॉडकास्ट को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ और ही बताना चाहूंगा। मतलब एक्चुअल में बोला जाता है ना कि एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर, टैलेंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। सो इस पॉडकास्ट को आप उसी माइंडसेट से देखना कि आप किसी भी एज के हो सकते हो, लेकिन जो आप में टैलेंट है ना वो शाइन करता है और आपको आगे करियर में अपॉर्चुनिटीज ला के देता है। सो आई हैव विथ मी नेहा रमेश। शी इज सी ए फाइनलिस्ट। शी विल अपियर फॉर फाइनल्स नेक्स्ट ईयर आई थिंक, एंड शी इज currently doing her articleship, I think. So I won't do her introduction. She is ready to give her introduction. So hi Neha, uh, can you open your camera and introduce yourself to our audience? How are you, Neha?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I am also good. So introduce
Amazing.
yourself. Matlab, I haven't introduced you. You go ahead and introduce yourself to our audience.
Sure. Hi, everyone. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful opportunity. I am Neha Ramesh. I'm a CA finalist, currently doing my industrial training in one of the most dreamt company, especially for all the CA students out there. Getting into industrial training is no less than a very big dream, right? Uh, all thanks to the communication skills or the efforts which I took from being an introvert to be called as the most energetic speaker. That is the one point which actually took me to where I am today. I have presented my paper in a national conference conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants, once in the national conference and the other in the mega conference as well. Delivered 50 plus speeches all over India. And I've also won various accolades from the Speakers Forum, competed in the Toastmasters Club as well, and various education competition. From being an introvert and doing all of this is just not at all a joke, right? Because I remember my day one where I was trembling to speak, and today I'm introducing myself with so many things which I've achieved. Was a good journey.
Great, Neha, great. Matlab, like 50 plus speeches, like great. Matlab, I can recall like I have given uh, a few speeches na, but like
Yes,
the
yes.
first one was really scary na. I prepared
True,
like
true.
10x hours, but the first one was like ऐसा dry करने वाला था, simple. So नेहा, मतलब good
Such.
job, well done. Like मतलब truly मैं believe करता हूँ कि talent is most important. Like मतलब I can see the talent in you. That's why I invited you to this podcast na. So my first question to you is like tell everyone like how you stumbled upon this like public speaking thing. How which what led you to start this thing?
Okay,
And
okay.
and you also matlab, I can see that you enjoy this thing now. I have
Yes,
seen
yes,
some of your
absolutely.
posts and other things, like you enjoy this thing. So
Correct, correct.
start from the day one beginning, अब zero से कैसे start किया?
Okay. Sir, I believe there was this one myth saying that people, all the great speakers out there, are born with the public speaking skills. Not at all. Because I remember saying from all the great public speakers that their day one was worse than mine. If I believe. Because लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं जब अपना डे वन शेयर करती हूँ वो बोलते हैं कि इससे भी बहुत खराब था मेरा डे वन.
Okay.
So, but that person is a very great speaker today. But how did he do that? Because of the courage that he had to show up again and again, even though he used to fall down on the dais every time. That made him the great public speaker today. For example, if you take Raj Shamani, he was not that great on day one, right?
Right.
But today we all look upon him, right? सो अगर मैं खुद का डे वन सोचती हूँ तो सर सच्ची में द डे वन वाज व्हेन आई वाज इन माय intermediate classes where this was the first time I was trying the public speaking thing in front of 500 plus students. They asked me to go introduce a teacher and do all of that stuff. But I remember I had a script in my hand, but the script was shivering
Okay.
that level, and I could hear people commenting on me saying that look देख देख नेहा को, नेहा ना उसका हाथ कांप रहा है, मतलब वो बोल नहीं पा रही है. I could hear people telling that, and today the same people come back to me and ask, Neha, how do you do all of that? because how you are placed into one of the greatest firm as industrial trainee. How did you do all of this? And your resume looks so beautiful than mine. You have so many things to fill up, right? All because even though they commented on that day, I kept on going, right? The courage to never give up, that I always wanted to be a good speaker, because even though I trembled that day one, but I remember that I used to always love speaking, but I never got opportunities. I never got opportunities at all. The day one was also me going and asking teacher that can I do this.
Okay.
या मैं करूँ क्या, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम तो वो लड़की कर दी ना, अच्छा कि मैं भी
Right.
करूंगी. So that was my day one, but it was very worst. But that day one to Neha today is in a very few years of gap, or 2 years or 3 years maximum. But I can see the difference in myself. But what was the miracle thing which happened in these 2 3 years was I saw many failures. I saw myself trembling and गला पूरा सूख जा रहा हो रहा था, एंड हाथ कांप रहे थे. देख के डर लगता था, जस्ट यहाँ से भाग जाऊं लगता था, पर भी आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट स्टैंड. ओके, इट्स ओके, लेट्स फेस इट. पता नहीं, आई रिमेम्बर वन ऑफ माय सीनियर टेलिंग मी दैट it's okay to break your legs on the stage, because only then you'll be able to stand very strong on the stage one day. So that one thought kept me going on, sir.
Great,
एंड
Neha.
वाई पब्लिक स्पीकिंग वाज, इसके लिए अलग कहानी है. क्या
Okay,
है ना,
so we have full time. You tell your whole story.
यस, इसके लिए अलग कहानी है. वहाँ कब मतलब जब सीए स्टार्ट करते थे, सीए फाउंडेशन हो गया था, सीए इंटरमीडिएट स्टार्ट करते थे, बट दैट्स व्हेन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सीए पास करना बहुत मुश्किल है. एंड
Right.
पीपल सेइंग, केप्ट ऑन सेइंग दैट सीए बनने का इज नॉट इनफ, यू हैव टू डू समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट द क्राउड इज डूइंग. Like, they always kept on saying you have to be very unique from the crowd, you have to do
Right.
something very different from the crowd to stand out as a CA student or any profession out there, because only the technical knowledge is not enough, right? But no one told me what exactly to do. What is that one thing that I have to do to be apart from the crowd? Then I took few days or like months together to realize what is that one thing that I have to do to be very different from the crowd. I
Right.
realized two things, sir. One was पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, बिकॉज
Okay.
अभी बहुत लोग सुना होगा हम लोगों ने कि सीए लोगों को बात करना नहीं आता है,
Okay.
बस एमबीए लोग बात कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
दैट वाज द वन थिंग.
I won't comment on that.
क्योंकि मैंने तो बहुत सुना था सर इसके बारे में,
Okay.
सीए लोग बात ही नहीं कर सकते, दे हैव वेरी टेक्निकल गुड नॉलेज बट दे कैन नेवर स्पीक. दिस वाज द थिंग व्हिच आई केप्ट ऑन हियरिंग ड्यूरिंग माय इंटर डेज. एंड एमबीए लोग कर लेते हैं, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर इन द ग्रेट पोजीशंस. आई एग्री, but what was that one thing that kept them apart from the crowd was public speaking skill, or the
Communication.
communication skills that
Right.
they were
Right.
carrying. And the second thing was, which is very obvious, upskilling every single day. The technical knowledge which you're gaining from books is not enough. So these are
Right.
the two things to keep apart from the crowd. So that's how I thought that okay, I have to improve my communication skills. It's बस है और कितना करके खुद खुद मांगे लोग. हमको मांगना है कि कैन यू स्पीक फॉर अ मिनट. हम
Right.
लोग ही जाके बार बार, आई रिमेम्बर सर कि मैं खुद जाके टीचर से पूछूं कि नहीं नहीं एक चांस दो, मैं बुक पढ़ूंगी या मैं इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगी या मैं होस्ट करूंगी. बट दे नेवर गेव मी अपॉर्चुनिटीज, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दे ऑलवेज वांट अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर ऑन द स्टेज, करेक्ट? So I thought that okay, let's become that one good communicator and let them come to me saying that नेहा एक बार बात कर ले, एक 5 minutes का स्पीच दे दे. So
Great.
from that day to today,
Great.
the day today is like whenever I go to speakers forum, मैं जाने से पहले ही लोग मेरे बारे में बात कर चुके रहते हैं. Today you know what, Neha is the speaker. She's called the
Great.
most energetic speaker on the stage.
Great,
So
Neha.
I
Great.
remember all the invigilators who come to the speakers forum saying that, oh, you are the most energetic speaker on the stage. Because I know what my strong points are, because I have good voice modulation and I can do good body language when I'm speaking on stage. So I
Right.
utilize that in a good manner when I'm speaking.
Great, Neha. Great. Wonderful.
That's how it started, sir.
Right, Neha. So I'll summarize what she has said. Like, first of all, like you can assess, understand clearness, understand that facing your fears is very important. आप जब डरते रहोगे तो आप फर्स्ट स्टेप कैसे लोगे, और फर्स्ट स्टेप अगर आपने ले लिया ना तो आप 100 स्टेप भी ले सकते हो, बट फर्स्ट स्टेप इज क्रूशियल. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप. फियर्स को फेस करना तो करना ही है यार, आज करो कल करो. Second thing, she said like degrees are not enough, and I truly believe in that thing. Like so many people are doing certifications, degrees, and that they think that I have this degree, I am like entitled for a job, entitled for a work. No, there is no such entitlement exist in this world, even the word I know. So you need to create your opportunities. दो ऑप्शन है, आप वेट करते रहो अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए या तो आप क्रिएट करो अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो नेहा ने 2 पॉइंट्स बोले अभी. तो by those 2 points, she can create her own opportunities. Similarly, you can create your 2 points as well. Like public speaking, she shows public speaking line. Second is upskilling is for everyone. So एक last में point बोला इसने अभी, like कि मेरी strength क्या है? People know that Neha is the speaker. Why? Because she is working around her strength. And I have realized that people who struggle in their careers now, they are वर्किंग अराउंड देयर वीकनेसेस. एंड आप पूरी जिंदगी काम कर लो ना लाइफ में, आपकी वीकनेसेस सारी ब्रिज कभी नहीं होने वाली. सो अगर आप इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग ग्रेट इन दिस लाइफ, मतलब आपको कुछ शाइनिंग करना है, कुछ अमेजिंग करना है इस दुनिया में, कुछ बेटर प्लेस बनाना है इस वर्ल्ड को, तो आपको अपनी स्ट्रेंथ के अराउंड ही काम करना है. ऑन ऑल द ग्रेट पॉइंट्स नेहा हैव सेड जस्ट राइट नाउ. सो माय सेकंड क्वेश्चन नेहा टू यू इज, okay, now your time to speak. I've done a lot of talking. So second question is, how actually you prepare your speech, and matlab, tell us from a perspective like, so that some other person who is watching this video can replicate those steps. So Neha, yes, how you prepare your speech?
Yes. So there are, I believe there are 3 steps in any of my speeches. Before giving any of my speeches, I follow these 3 steps. These are the steps which I have realized over these 3 years, that which have worked for me. So the first one is good draft that you prepare for your speeches, and the second one is good practice what you do before delivering it, and the third one is how you actually deliver on the stage. Let's go one by one.
Yeah.
How do you actually draft in a good manner? So हर एक का script unique हो सकता है, because what I believe is that drafting मेरे को कोई और बना के देगा तो I'll not be able to perform that, because मैं खुद अपने strengths को involve करूँ वो draft में, that so that entire draft is my own style. Because I have never been into any of this communication master classes, or I say public speaking के लिए कुछ classes लेते. I have never been to that. What I have realized is मेरे mistakes से I have recovered it. मेरे mistakes से, मेरे गलतियों से मैं खुद सीखी हूँ. So I remember in one of the very viral reel which went on Instagram saying that how to draft, how to actually make a good speech. So that thing I implemented in my speech, and I think that works in a very beautiful manner. So you are a very unique character. So you have a very good strength or a very unique character or a style of speaking which cannot be replaced by anyone else. So I believe in my draft, that point or that specific style of speaking should be included so that Neha becomes irreplaceable. So what I do before I draft anything is I write everything which comes to my mind. I don't use Google or ChatGPT directly before writing it on a piece of paper. First, उस topic के बारे में क्या बात करना है, what choosing a specific topic also becomes very important. Let's speak about that later. But when you choose a topic, how to draft it, you have to sit and write, because what you think is a very beautiful point which ChatGPT can also never give. Because when you deliver that, people go wow, because ChatGPT जो देता है वो बहुत general format का देता है. But what interpretation, what your brains can do, and you deliver it on the stage, I remember people wowing for it. So I write down in a piece of paper, whatever it might be. The second thing is that choosing a good topic. It should have a purpose. For example, there are 2 different kinds of purpose. It can have a general purpose, like for example, if you are inspiring a person, or it's just entertainment purpose. It can be things like that. But it can be also specific purpose. You're delivering that speech. For example, if you're addressing a specific crowd, then you have to be choosing a specific purpose of your topic. So choosing the topic and articulating it in your own way matters while drafting. How do you draft? You write down everything which comes to your mind, and then you research about it. Because why should people believe you? तू आके जो भी बात करेगा, कैसे एक आदमी भरोसा करेगा? You can only make that person convince only if you have a good research with yourself. Like if you have good statistics with you, or if you have good facts about that topic, only then you will be able to convince that person. You're
Okay.
not going and speaking on the stage just for the sake of speaking, because you should always remember that you're going and delivering the values to a person, because that person is listening to you. Correct. So if that person is giving his or her time to you, you should always deliver a purpose, a message to that person. So every speech of mine has a good purpose and a message to pass on. Only then the person will be able to listen to you. Correct.
Right.
Only then that person feels that okay, isko sunna hai. If I
Right.
go randomly and speak some nonsense, that person will not be interested to listen to you. Why should they? You're not bringing any value to them. Correct.
Right.
So you should always make sure that you're delivering value to that person, or delivering value to that specific audience.
Audience.
Yeah. So you should always have a moral, or you should always have a good topic or a value addition point in your speech. And based on that, you're drafting the entire speech of yours based on your brain's interpretation, your own style of speaking, your own quotes, not like a very famous
Exactly.
quotes. You make your own quotes, because we
Okay.
all can write a quote.
Okay.
Because I journalize every day, and I get very beautiful quotes, and those are not there on Google. When
Okay.
I use them, that makes a whole difference, right? Then it will be like Neha Ramesh is speaking on the dice.
Right now.
Correct. So when you're drafting, all these points should be kept in mind. It's not like speeches are something which uh, you're giving to just for the sake of resume. No, you're taking that person's time. If you're speaking for 5 minutes and so many people are there, so many people for 5 minutes you're taking, it should
Right.
not go waste.
Right.
Because we all know that time is the new currency nowadays, right? So you should always keep the purpose, the goal, and the style of your own, because understand yourself. What is the good thing about you? Do you have good modulation, voice modulation, so that you can include good movie dialogues in your speech, so that you keep your audience entertained? Because
Right.
what is my strength is that, sir, I have good voice modulation. I can
Okay.
go high, low, and I know my strengths. I can utilize the entire stage, no matter
Okay.
how big the
Show
dice
us an
is.
example right now. You want to see?
No, for example, if I'm saying very excited, you know what, sir, what happened today in the office? And you can also be very secretive. You know what, sir, that girl, no. You can
Okay.
also be like this. So there
Right.
is voice modulation always included in this speech. And no matter what, I know that I can use the entire dice, so that the person is not even 1 second of that person is going there, here and there. I make sure that the entire crowd is looking at me,
Okay.
because
Fine.
I know my voice can grab the attention of the entire crowd in the hall. So I include so many dialogues, so many like quotes, which makes people understand that okay, she's saying something, we have to listen.
Okay.
So that's
Great.
how I draft my speech. So the
Great.
second point,
His
I'll
second
go.
point is, well, I want to ask
Yeah,
some
sure.
questions from that. No? You said that you journalize daily, na? So what do you write? What do you write in your journal?
Okay.
Give us a glimpse of that.
So I journalize daily based on whatever, sir. One day might be 10, one day might be 100. I might
Okay.
have a very good lesson every day, one single day, and one day I feel something weird, or
Right.
this should not have happened with me. But whatever happens, I journalize. Whatever happens
Okay.
in that day, either you can have a good lesson out of it, or either you can have a good revision of what already have happened. Like for
Right.
example, today it can be a new thing. It can give you a good lesson, but the next day would have been a lesson you had took few years back, but you couldn't implement it. Because
Okay.
whenever I'm journalizing, I remember all the lessons in my life. So whenever I'm dealing with the everyday circle, office, home, and dealing with the people, I try to use all the lessons which I've already gained through the experience. So
Okay.
I journalize every lesson which I get, and also like whatever I'm grateful for, and whatever my aim is, my to do, and whatever I think that I have to do for anything it might be,
Great,
everything
great.
and anything which comes to my mind, I draft it. Like I write it, simply scribble it.
राइट, ना ग्रेट पॉइंट। जैसे जो आपने बोला ना, उसी सिमिलर थीम पे हम लोगों ने अपनी कम्युनिटी में स्टार्ट किया, लाइक कि यू आर मतलब यू आर रीडिंग बुक्स, यू आर वाचिंग पॉडकास्ट, बट यू आर नॉट लर्निंग फ्रॉम योर लाइफ इटसेल्फ। So what we have
Correct.
done, like every Wednesday we come together as a community, and we analyze the past week and plan the next week. So whatever the
Wow.
past week has gone, like you can always learn from the mistakes, like you have missed something, why you missed
Mhm.
something, you can like improve the week going forward now. And you can also
Absolutely.
plan for the next week. So it's like you are not entering into an unknown sphere. You know what you are going to do this day, this day, this day. At least आप एक वीक तो प्लान करके चल ही सकते हो, क्योंकि दैट्स आवर विजन। लाइक
Hmm.
जो बड़े बड़े लीडर्स हैं ना, लाइक दे प्लान देयर एंटायर 6 मंथ्स, एंटायर ईयर। सो अभी हम लोग
Absolutely.
स्टार्टिंग पे एटलीस्ट एक वीक प्लान करने से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, मतलब अभी
Hmm.
सारी कम्युनिटी एज अ कम्युनिटी कर रही है। सो लाइक ग्रेट पॉइंट नहीं है, मतलब आई एम लिटरली एंजॉयिंग योर पॉडकास्ट। सेकंड इज लाइक कि यू सेड सेकंड पॉइंट, या फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज गुड ड्राफ्ट, एंड व्हाट इज द सेकंड पॉइंट?
Second point is a good practice.
ओके,
Whatever you draft without a good articulated one, you will not be able to practice.
राइट,
Whatever draft I've written, I definitely take help of the Google. So I try to include a very simple language to my draft.
ओके,
So this is one more point which have to be included in the draft. You don't have to go for a very fancy words because people will never understand the fancy words.
या,
The main intention of you being on the dais is that you are able to deliver some content or you are able to deliver a message to the person who is listening to you. Not that you are showcasing your vocabulary skills
राइट,
because I know that my vocabulary is not that great, but I also know that I can give a good message with the basic simple language, and that is what is needed. You don't have to be American or British. You
राइट,
just have to be
यू,
Indian and a good English.
या,
Enough. A good speaking skill with a basic English. You don't have to use very fancy words. So I make sure that whatever is I've drafted, I take help of the Google and make it in a very simpler language.
ओके,
And I also make sure that the sentences or the paragraph are very short because as we all know that the attention span of human beings are very
वेरी लेस,
so much reducing. So we have to make it very short and simple as much as possible. As much as possible. So the second point is like practice. I
हाउ मेनी
always
टाइम्स, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स?
it depends
Yeah,
it
if you have
actually.
water, if you want water, you can take that. Yeah.
No, yeah, it's
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. How many times?
So it depends actually. It depends on the crowd. If
Okay.
I am addressing, if I'm addressing to a national conference or a very huge quality of crowd where you're in front of the huge people, then good amount of practice is very much needed because practice is the only thing which is in your hand. Correct? You have
Right.
to do it before delivering it. It should not
Right.
happen that you're going and trial and erroring on the
Right.
stage
You cannot
because
do trial and
that's so
error on
many
the stage.
people's time you're
Right.
taking. You can't do that. So good amount of practice. If it is a very huge crowd and a very valuable crowd and a very quality of people are fine amount of fine quality people are sitting right in front of you, can't just go and blabber, right?
Right.
So I do good amount of practice. I do practice like I'm actually standing in front of the people. Like exactly, this is the podium. This is me who's wearing blazers and have all the fine quality peoples listening to me, looking at me. I visualize everything, sir.
Great.
Every single thing I visualize because even a cloth which I'll be wearing, I already plan it, and this is how I'll be looking. This is how the hall will be. This is how the podium will be. This is how I'll be utilizing the stage, and this
Right.
is how I practice. Every single time I'm practicing, I believe that I'm already on the stage. So you're not
Right.
simply reading out the draft
Right.
every time.
You are practicing it
So
well.
yeah, every time every one stretch you're fully completing the speech. Like for example, if it's a very huge crowd, I practice for like 6 to 7 times or 10 times. It has been to 10, 15 times as well. Like a whole full speech of 15 minutes to 20 minutes. I've tried it for like dragging for 15 times because I want to be really perfect on that day.
Okay.
And if it's a very small speeches that you're giving in a forum or a club, then a very minimal preparation is also fine because you are used to the dice. It's not like it's your day one, right? It's I've delivered a good amount of, I can't say a very great numbers. I'm still learning,
Yeah.
but it's fine. So whenever I'm practicing, the point here is whenever you're practicing, imagine and visualize yourself that you're already on the stage. Because visualization is a very powerful tool, sir, while practicing. Because
Right.
I remember whatever I used to visualize, it was the same way. And I used to never find any difference. So I used to feel that when I'm actually performing the speech, I used to feel that, okay, this has already happened. There is nothing new, right? So practice becomes very, very important. And number of practice depends on the level of speech you're
Right.
giving and the crowd which you're addressing.
Okay. So third point is
So
what?
third point is actual delivery.
Okay.
So this is the very, very, very interesting and very, very important thing in the speeches. There are various factors that should be kept in mind while you're actually delivering it.
Okay.
This is a thing, or this is a tool which actually feels like that Neha Ramesh is speaking or Prince Shivhare sir is speaking. Like every person have their own individual identity.
Right.
Because there are so many factors while you're factors that you should keep in mind while you're actually delivering it. There are factors like voice modulation, body language, a good amount of pauses, and things like that.
Right.
So we'll go one by one. What are those
Yeah.
things that should be kept in mind while you're actually delivering it?
Right.
As I said you, sir, that I know my strength, correct? That I have a good voice modulation.
Okay. One
I
question
have
I
a
have. I'll stop you here. So apart from public speaking, what's your strength?
apart from public speaking, I have good negotiation skills, I believe.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And
Go
other
ahead.
than that, I also write well.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Great now. Yeah. Go ahead. How to actually deliver?
Yeah. How do we actually deliver? Whenever this is also connected with the practice point where you are actually practicing and delivering, well, because whenever you're practicing, you're believing that you're already on the stage. So
Okay.
how huge the dais is, you're utilizing the entire dais and you are having the voice modulation even while you're practicing. You're having the same body language even while you're practicing. Good amount of pauses and the facial expression. These are the factors where you have to keep in mind while you're delivering it. Let's go one by one. The first one is the voice modulation. Very important one because a person have a superpower. Because I believe this has a good story, sir.
Yeah.
Like I believe I was presenting in a national conference, and the moment I went on the dais and I just said I didn't go anything technical because I know everyone would have been looking
Right.
here and there. I
Right.
just wanted to grab the attention of the people out there. So what I did is started singing. So in a national conference, even the judges were looking here and there, and that was a presence of mind, simply presence of mind, because I never planned that I'll go and sing on the dais, right? So I believe if you want to grab attention in that moment, you have to do something extraordinary,
Right.
which a normal person wouldn't have even thought about it. So when I started singing, everybody was looking at me like a pin drop silence. Not even one single person was looking here and there. And I also remember a person passing by in a corridor
Okay.
just came inside and sat.
Okay. Who is
And
singing like?
that person didn't leave till the entire speech was done, sir.
Okay.
Trust me. And I had a very big fan moment. I had people coming to me, ma'am, can I get a picture with you? This was a best moment and a best day I
Okay.
had ever asked to God. Trust me on this. So voice modulation, that day I realized that voice modulation is a tool, like a very big superpower that you have. So voice modulation, I did a variety of voice modulation on the stage that day. And that's why the evaluator or the invigilator, whoever was looking at me and judging me, said that you are the most energetic speaker and you have a superpower of voice modulation because you do beautiful voice modulation. Even the none of the contestants that day had
Right.
performed. So
Right.
the first thing in delivering is voice modulation because you have a superpower to inspire people. You have a superpower to influence the people. You can persuade people with your voice. And why to waste that one voice? Right? So if you have that superpower in your voice, which can influence people and can grab your attention, and you can be heard to the entire world. Why to sit in a room, right?
Right.
Sit quiet in a room. Because I believe being an introvert and today speaking about a voice modulation and a superpower about voice modulation, I know how it used to be when I was an introvert. You are never
Right.
heard. You are
Right,
never
Neha.
heard, right? But whenever you have a good voice and whenever you can influence people, everybody listens to you.
Right,
Everybody, single person, every single person listens to you.
right,
So
Neha.
the first thing is having good voice modulation. And it also adds on an advantage that none of the audience will get bored
Yeah,
because you have a good
actually.
voice modulation.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're low, sometimes you're high. And also, what is that one thing to bring out good voice modulation is having good movement of your body. Whenever I'm saying I'm explaining like this, I have a good voice modulation. You see
Right.
that, right? So having a good body movements can also influence on your voice modulation. So
Right.
if you feel that your voice is not very loud or your voice doesn't have so much of variation, try to get up and make your body move and
Okay.
speak. You'll realize that your actual voice will definitely come out.
Okay.
Because whenever you're explaining things or whenever you're speaking, you use your hand movements or your arms, your gestures, your facials, and and then eventually you'll see a magic in your voice.
Right, Neha.
Even now you can maybe relate. If I'm using my hands, the voice is also varying the way my hands are moving.
Right.
So whenever you are doing a voice modulation, have a good body movement. That can give you a good momentum to grab the attention, and you'll never bore your audience.
Right. Right. Neha, great points. Like, मतलब I'm also learning a lot from this session. Like मेरे लिए भी सेशन है, इन पर्सन सेशन होगा तो और बढ़िया। कभी हम करेंगे सेशन प्लान ना कि अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए like how they can improve their communication skills ना. So we'll invite you as well. So so Neha, you just said ना in one moment कि एक fan moment था ना आपके लिए जब वो अच्छा. So Neha,
Yes,
I
yes.
can assure you that you are going to have so many fan moments in your future ना.
Oh,
So rest assured.
thank you
So,
so much.
hello guys. मतलब, let me summarize all the points for you. She said first, good draft. Second is good practice, and third is how to actually deliver. We will also upload a PDF file, which she has prepared, and will upload in the description. So आप उसको एक बार रेफर कर सकते हो और आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा. So नेहा, थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज लाइक, वैसे तो आपने कवर कर दिया मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स.
Mhm.
So how to deliver effortlessly or talk about your day one, मतलब how you started, and if someone is watching like who hasn't ever given any speech like, so how he can start, मतलब topics अगर कुछ share कर सकते हो, like कोई person कैसे first, जैसे when we started 21 day challenge in our community, so we said कि talk about yourself only. So talking about yourself is very easy ना. Oh, I have done XYZ degree certification, I have studied in this college, like, so how can a person start from like day zero to day one? Like,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
So this reminds me of a very beautiful thing, sir. Saying that you'll never win
you
when
never
you
win.
sit and think that you'll lose. अगर आप सोचते ही रहोगे कि स्टेज में मैं कैसे बात करूंगी, मेरे से कैसे हो सकेगा, मेरे से तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा ये तो, मतलब मैं ऐसे ब्लैबर कर लूंगी, नहीं मैं अच्छे से बात ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी, ऐसे सोचते बैठोगे तो कभी जीतोगे नहीं, कभी
Right,
बात कर ही नहीं पाओगे. आई एम टेलिंग यू आर अ बिग लूजर इफ यू आर
right,
जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट यू आर ऑलरेडी लूजर, visualizing that you're a loser. It can never happen, sir. You should have a courage to just get up. बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट मेरे पास भी कुछ टैलेंट नहीं था, कुछ आता ही नहीं था, बात करने ही नहीं आता था. बट वॉट आई न्यू वॉज जस्ट स्टैंड फॉर योर सेल्फ.
right.
जस्ट उठ के जहां पे भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रहा है चले जाओ.
बिल्कुल,
नो
बिल्कुल.
मैटर हाउ मेनी टाइम्स you always know that people are gonna judge you. That is the biggest fear, right? Why are you even scared? That is the one fear. Why are you not able to get up and go speak in front of people? That is because you're scared to be judged, right? But understand one thing, until you face the fear you'll never be able to actually win one day.
Okay,
Because one day one में क्या हुआ था, everyone judged me, right? All the public speaker जिसका day one था या यूट्यूबर्स का day one था, सब लोग bad comments डाले थे ना. then they would have never been a big content creator or great public speaker आज जो है, if they would have not started on the day one. Correct. The
right,
first thing is to just stand for yourself. जो भी ऐसे बैठे हैं कि बिकॉज कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इज नॉट दैट जो भी ऐसे पैशनेट होते हैं पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के बारे में वो उतना ही ट्राई करना चाहिए, नहीं, इट इज नीडेड ऑन अ डे टू डे बेसिस। एवरी डे
Right.
टू every day you're going and speaking with thousands of people out there. If you're not able to communicate what you mean, I don't know how will you even survive in this most competitive world,
Right.
right? So for that thing, communication skills is needed for every single person. You just have to get started. हर जगह कहीं पे भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ढूंढने से ही ना तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगे। एटलीस्ट ढूंढने के लिए बाहर तो जाना पड़ेगा। You should show your interest in the public speaking or communication skills that you want to improve yourself. So that is the one thing, sir. Courage should be the courage is the most important thing that you should have. And the second thing is that when you have interest on something,
Right.
the universe will support you. I strongly believe this. I don't know. I just like public speaking and I want to improve, and universe will give you the opportunities. Just bahar jaake bolo कि I'm interested. Why will people not give you opportunities to
Right.
speak? Right? It's okay if you fall once or twice. It's okay if you fall 50 times because one day you will be remember you will succeed.
Right. No,
Right?
the great point
And
you
जो भी
just
आज
added here. Like if you are doing मतलब the thing that you love to do, मतलब एक Steve Jobs का quote है ना, if you want to do something great ना, love your work. If you are not loving your
love
work,
your
you
work.
won't be able to do something extraordinary thing. So अगर आप करते भी
Absolutely.
ना, मतलब मैंने भी actually मतलब अपनी लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस किया है, लाइक कि पूरे वर्ल्ड जब सब लोग घर वाले या आउटसाइडर सब लोग डिनाइंग की व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, पागल है क्या कर रहा है ना ये सब. सो
Mm.
इवन इफ यू कीप डूइंग दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग एंड यू आर ट्रूली पैशनेट अबाउट दैट थिंग ना, देन कहीं ना कहीं कुछ मैजिकल पावर्स होती हैं जो आपको सपोर्ट करती हैं एट द लोएस्ट ऑफ द
Definitely.
मोमेंट ना. तो डेफिनेटली यूनिवर्स कम टू योर रेस्क्यू ना. तो बस
Hmm.
आपको करना ही होता है. तो ये तो मतलब मैंने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है.
Absolutely.
या
Yes, sir. Because
यू
this
वर
was
या
also in my one of my visualization that day,
ओके.
that fan moment जो भी हुआ, that day I was like so shocked. Like कोई भी मैं भी CA student ही हूँ, and that person is also CA student. Why will a student come and ask a other student that give me your autograph and or give me a picture with you, right?
राइट मैम.
And it was just in the visualization, but universe will definitely help you to come. That will happen. I don't know how. That there
राइट.
is a superpower.
राइट.
The
या.
visualization will definitely work. What you need to do is the efforts to stand for you. Look for the opportunities and take actions for it.
राइट.
You will get the opportunities. And if you're not getting opportunities, you make your opportunities, boss. Like there are people, there are people like they don't have a public speaking forum nearby, or they'll not be having a platform to speak. But what they do, they create content. They speak
राइट.
for themselves and upload. The world watches them. Correct. That is also communication skills.
राइट.
He's building public speaking skills. Correct. You build on your opportunities if you're not finding one.
यू क्रिएट योर ओन अपॉर्चुनिटीज. लाइक
Absolutely.
मतलब आज की दुनिया में लाइक पूरा वर्ल्ड आपकी ऑडियंस है ना, जिसको भी आप प्लेटफॉर्म्स इतने अवेलेबल है. लाइक अगर कोई पर्सन ऐसे बोल रहा है कि मेरे पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है, तो यार मतलब कहीं ना कहीं
Mhm.
मिसिंग लगता है.
True, true,
सो
true.
नेहा, मतलब आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड देन विल टॉक अबाउट समथिंग. सो जैसे ठीक है, किसी ने प्रिपेयर कर लिया पूरा अच्छे से, सब कुछ कर लिया. नाउ जैसे स्टेज स्टेज पे स्टेप रखा पहला, तो लाइक
Mm.
स्टेज फियर को कैसे लोग एम्ब्रेस करें, हाउ टू टैकल दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. यू हैव डिलीवर्ड स्पीचेस, लाइक आपने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा किसी ना किसी लेवल पे. जैसे ही स्टेज पे पैर रखो, कितनी भी प्रैक्टिस कर लो, इवन इन फॉर वन ऑफ माय स्पीच लाइक आई प्रिपेयर 10 टाइम्स. मतलब इफ आई हैव टू डिलीवर फॉर 1 hour ना, आई
Mm.
प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर 10 hours. लिटरली आई
Okay.
प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर 10 hours ना. एंड
Okay.
मतलब द मोमेंट आई स्टेप ऑन द स्टेज ना, लाइक सारा हालत खराब हो गया. तो मतलब
Okay.
ये भी लोगों का बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. सो हाउ दे कैन टैकल दिस, हाउ यू टैकल दिस.
So सबका होता है sir. Even a small speech today, I'll be scared. I'll be anxious for sure.
ओके.
But the moment you get on stage, you just have to remember one thing, that no one is going to give you any damn. No one is worried about you. No one is going to remember anything. They
ओके.
don't know who you are. They don't know where you're from, where you belong from, what you're speaking. They just want, while leaving the room, they'll never remember where you forgot the script or where you blabbered, or they'll not remember where you couldn't speak or where you went blank. They'll remember the message you passed on, and you go and ask the same person few years down the line, that person will not even remember that you blabbered at that
राइट.
moment.
राइट.
Then why should we get scared of? What is that one scary thing which is sitting right in front of you to get scared? So even now when I get on the stage, there will be stage fear, but how to tackle it? Before getting into the dais, I always follow 2 3 exercises,
Okay.
which help me to not be so much anxious but control the anxious, because we always say that mind should not control you, you should control your mind,
Good control.
right?
Yeah.
So what I do is like deep breathing. So no matter how much you prepare, forget everything and visualize. Just sit for a moment and take a deep breath and tell your mind that you are a great speaker.
Okay.
Tell yourself, Neha Ramesh, you are an absolutely great speaker. Neha Ramesh, you are one of the most energetic speaker. Neha Ramesh, you know what? The Toastmasters Club has awarded you for your voice modulation. Neha Ramesh, you know what? You have achieved that, this. I'll tell everything, every good thing about myself. I'll never take that one negative thought that Neha blabbered that day. That is a very tiny thing, but you have achieved so much more than that, right?
Great.
But for the person who's going on their day one and have the stage fear, just remember one thing. Day one रहने से ये day 100 होगा. If you're
Great.
just
Great.
facing it, face it. You will win one day. And have
Right.
a good deep breath. And I don't know, sir. I feel that good exercising of deep breathing helps the mind.
Right.
Because it relaxes your body and tells your body that कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. No one is gonna eat you up
Right.
once you get on the dais. So good deep breathing and also having good amount of little bit of water so that throat ऐसे पूरा
Dry
dry
ना.
ना हो जाए, so that थोड़ा पानी पी ले and keep yourself distracted. ऐसे बताओ कि अभी 5 मिनट में स्टेज में जाना है. I listen to songs.
Okay.
I forget everything. I forget the script. I forget everything that I have to do. Because last moment में जो script देते हैं ना, देखते हैं ना, that is the wrong thing which everyone, like I feel that that is the wrong thing. Because
Yes.
last moment में you're hurrying your brains to remember things, and because you have practiced a lot. Come on, your brain remembers. भरोसा करो थोड़ा अपने पे.
Okay.
भरोसा करो because
आप
you
ऐसे
have
बोलोगी ना कोई
practiced.
भी भरोसा कर लेगा.
हाँ, मतलब थोड़ा भरोसा
Great.
कर लो.
बिल्कुल.
Because brains, it's not a small machine, it's a very big tool. Brains can remember so much of data, and why do you think, why you're doubting yourself? Come on, you've practiced for 10 hours. Last 5 minutes में कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. So stop looking at the script
Right.
for last 5 minutes. Just deep breathe and distract yourself, and never imagine or visualize that you're gonna fall on dais. You never, don't tell your brains that you're gonna shatter there, or you're gonna blabber there, you're gonna use a lot of filler words, and don't imagine like that. Why are you doing that for yourself? Why are you, जब hater भी आपको वैसे नहीं सोचता होगा, you are thinking bad things about you, that's a very bad thing that you can do for yourself.
Right.
So
Right.
always imagine good things about you. For me, it has worked, sir, because I believe that I am the greatest speaker before going to the dais.
Right.
I have a lot of role models, or I have a lot of people whom I look up for the public speaking skill. But before going on the dais, I am the biggest person. I am the greatest speaker, because that tells your mind that you're actually a good speaker. And
Right.
that's how I be amazing on the dais. I use the entire dais. I don't see people if I tell myself this. And one more thing is that when you are on the dais, don't focus on any person. You don't know any person in the crowd.
Okay.
You just have to look. There is. You should always make an eye contact, I believe. But there is a format how you actually make an eye contact. It's not like I'm looking only to one person. You're looking at the corners of the hall. That's
Okay.
it. But it looks that you're actually making eye contact with the audience. You just have to appear that you're making eye contact.
Okay.
But where you're actually looking is left to you. It's a secret.
Okay.
I always make sure that I look in a W format. For example, I see at the end, there are 4 corners, like I
Right.
see in the end, and then I look front, and then again I look in the front, in the middle, and then I come back again. Whenever I'm making any like any sentence, if I'm speaking, I always make sure that I make an eye contact in this format. So if I keep that format in my mind, nobody, I can't see anybody in front of me. So I don't focus on crowd. I cannot like specifically see one person. It's just the crowd. I'm just making an eye contact in the W format. That's it.
Great, Neha,
That
great.
appears that I'm making eye contact from each and every corner of the hall, and that's enough.
Okay.
And always focus on the things that you want to deliver, and not on the script. You might have written like 1,000 lines, you would have written, but always what that one thing you have to remember is what is that message that you have to deliver from that paragraph. You're just memorizing few points, because on stage you can't what by heart and go and vomit. You can't do that, because in front, whenever you are by hearting things, you'll always go blank. I have experienced this. So
Okay.
never by heart things line by line, but always have an idea that what you have to speak.
Like pointers hona hai and then you speak
Pointers
from
होना
heart.
चाहिए.
Yeah,
That's it.
great.
But you have to practice 10 times. That is for
Right.
sure. It's
Okay.
okay if you're changing the same sentence 10 times there. But what is important, that you have to deliver the message from that paragraph. You just have to remember that.
Right,
And
right.
never focus or never tell your mind that सब लोग मेरे को देख रहे हैं, मैं ऐसे blank हो जाऊंगी तो क्या करूंगी. Never tell that. You just remember that these are the points that you have to tell. This is the way I am making the eye contact. I am the beautiful speaker. I am the most energetic speaker. I'm going to utilize the entire dais. I am going to take each and every person's attention to me, because that is very important for me, sir. Because when I am speaking, I would have invested so much of my time, and I don't want somebody speaking here and there. So that person should look at me. So
Right.
somehow I do things to grab that person's attention. So these
Okay.
are the things that you have to keep in mind
Okay, Neha. So
when you're
I
on
have
the
a
stage.
exercise for you, no? Like you don't know about it, but it's also surprise for you. So Neha, जब भी होता है ना कि कभी इंटरव्यू में जाओ कहीं भी जाओ तो लाइक इम्प्रॉम्प्टू होता है ना. सो आई वांट यू टू गिव अ इम्प्रॉम्प्टू थिंग, 1 minute exercise impromptu. On any topic, like or use all these points and like talk. I will give you one moment, 30 seconds to prepare. Neha, it is also a surprise for you, no? Getting the point? I want you to deliver a 1 minute speech
I couldn't once.
impromptu. Yeah.
Can you repeat again?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, Neha, I want you to use all these points you have shared and deliver a 1 minute impromptu speech on this podcast now. Okay. So
Okay.
I'll talk with people like for 30 seconds. You prepare for that time. Okay. Then
Any
I'll
topic.
give any topic you wish. Okay. 1 minute now. 60
Okay,
seconds
sure.
only. And like use all the points you have shared. So till the time she prepare, I'm going to give her 30-40 seconds now. So let me summarize all the points for you guys. So हम लोग इसका दे रहे हैं document जैसे I have shared already. But she talked about which led her to public speaking because she wanted to stand out from the crowd. Like आप भी किसी भी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी में हो, आप कुछ कम आप फाइनेंस में काम कर रहे हो या फिर किसी और भी डोमेन में हो, अगर आपको लोग मतलब इवन बोला जाता है ना कि आपको लोग आपके नाम से नहीं जानते ना आप कहीं भी पहुंच रहे हो तो लाइक यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ एटलीस्ट, मतलब जब तक आपको लोग आपके नाम से ना जाने लग जाए. सेकंड पॉइंट वी डिस्कस लाइक हाउ शी प्रिपेयर हर स्पीचेस. तो लाइक एक टेम्पलेट पूरा था, ड्राफ्ट, प्रैक्टिस एंड एक्चुअली डिलीवर, पूरा उसको फॉलो करना है. एंड देन थर्ड इज लाइक कि आप डे वन में आपको बहुत सारे फियर्स आएंगे गाइस, सबको आते हैं. आप किसी बड़े पॉलिटिशियन को देखते हो, अच्छे स्पीकर को देखते, दे हैव प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट. आप कभी भी एयरक्राफ्ट में फोटो देखोगे ना, जो पॉलिटिशियंस होते हैं हमेशा दे आर रीडिंग देयर स्क्रिप्ट्स बिफोर डिलीवरिंग एनी स्पीच. तो आपको ध्यान रखना है बस. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, गलती करना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर गलती ना करना सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? कि गलती करोगे तो सही कर लोगे, लेकिन नहीं करोगे कुछ तो फिर कहाँ बढ़ोगे आगे ना. सो आई थिंक आई हैव कवर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट्स. सो नेहा, वी आर वेटिंग फॉर योर impromptu speech. So yeah, go ahead. You have 1 minute. I'm going to start the time. Are just joking? You just start. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Sir, you know what?
What Neha?
वो 10th A की नेहा थी ना, वो
Okay.
नेहा पता ना आपको?
पता तो है
वो ना
मुझे.
इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग जा रही है करके. यू नो
Okay.
व्हाट, वो इतना बड़ा कंपनी है, उसे इतना ज्यादा स्टाइपेंड मिल रहा है, पता है आपको? यू नो
Okay.
व्हाट, सर, दैट नेहा, शी इज डूइंग पब्लिक स्पीकिंग itself. She used to not even read that those textbook in the schooling time. She's doing public speaking itself. It seems. You know what, sir? That girl is coming on the podcast, it seems.
Right,
Oh
Neha.
no.
Yeah.
You know what? So I just can't believe. Can you believe it? No. This is how people speak when you achieve something great, but
Okay.
they never watch the struggle what you go through in every step that you take when you're preparing for it.
Right.
People are always gonna judge you on your success, but they are never gonna see the struggle behind it. So लोगों का जो काम है वो करने देते हैं.
Right.
People are there to speak. People are supposed to speak. अब अगर लोग ही बात नहीं करेंगे तो बात कौन करेगा? There should be gossip, right? So लोगों को जो काम है वो करने देंगे. But हम जो कर सकते हैं, let's take a stand for ourselves and let's become the dream of many. For me, the same people who spoke behind saying that she's doing that, she's trying this, but the same people come to me and ask, Neha, how did you even do this? How did your resume go in? How did you get an industrial training in that big company? The same people are coming and asking advices from me. You are irreplaceable, you are unstoppable, so let us not settle for a mediocre things, right? Let's
Right.
all achieve great, because at the end, it is just you and your parents and your loved ones who matter. Confidence is all about thinking what actually matters and ignoring the people around you, because people are always there to judge you.
They are
They'll
already
never
clapped.
evaluate, or they'll never tell you what mistakes or where you can improve, but they'll always judge you based
Right.
on what you're doing. So let us keep that lesson in our mind, and always have that one thing that let's stand out for ourselves and let's become one irreplaceable person. So if Neha Ramesh is coming to the speakers forum, let her be the Neha Ramesh. And no one else can beat Neha Ramesh, or no one else can be a replication of Neha Ramesh. So let us become an irreplaceable person as a whole. And
Great,
let's
Neha.
achieve
Great.
all the
Great. Great.
great dreams, because
Great, Neha.
अभी नहीं तो कब करेंगे?
राइट राइट, मजा आ गया नेहा, मजा आ गया. सो गाइज, मतलब मैं ऑनेस्टली बताता हूँ, ये कन्फेशन, लाइक व्हेन जब भी मैं किसी को पॉडकास्ट पे बुलाता हूँ ना, तो आई यूजुअली सी की लाइक एज वी हैव नेम्ड दिस लाइक फाइनेंस करियर पॉडकास्ट ना, सो वी ट्राई टू ब्रिंग लाइक 3 to 5 years एक्सपीरियंस पीपल, एटलीस्ट थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस हो 5 year तक का, सो दे विल बी एबल टू डिलीवर वैल्यू. व्हेन आई थॉट कि नेहा को बुलाते ना, तो शी इवन थॉट सर एक्चुअल में मतलब यू आर प्लानिंग दिस. सो एट द बैक ऑफ माई माइंड इज लाइक टैलेंट मैटर्स अ लॉट. आप कितना, आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस हो, ऐसा नहीं है आज 20-20 years के लोग स्टार्टअप कर रहे हैं, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी चला रहे हैं, तो एनीवन कैन डू इट. बट अगर टैलेंट है तो आप कहीं पहुंच सकते हो. सो नेहा, मतलब आप लोग को एक मेरे को एक फीडबैक देना है, मतलब एम आई राइट ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट गेस्ट सिलेक्शन, लाइक फ्रीली राइट करो, लिखो कमेंट्स में कि एक्चुअल में मैंने अच्छे स्पीकर को बुलाया आपके लिए, आपको अच्छी वैल्यू मिली इससे, और नेहा ने पूरी, मतलब एक पॉइंट और ऐड करता हूँ, आई जस्ट टोल्ड हर कि नेहा हम एक रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, बट शी वेंट एक्स्ट्रा माइल एंड ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड अ डॉक्यूमेंट so that it will be helpful for others. मतलब इवन अगर मैं अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से एक पॉइंट ऐड करूँ ना, लाइक मैंने लाइफ में एक चीज सीखी है कि जो लोग एक्स्ट्रा करते हैं ना, दुनिया में उनके लिए कभी किसी भी चीज की कमी नहीं है. तो शी डिड द एक्स्ट्रा थिंग ना. सो गाइज, फ्रीली होल हार्टेडली कमेंट्स प्रेज आने दो. एंड थैंक यू सो मच नेहा, मतलब delivering so well, and you are really an inspiration for so many people. People are going to learn from you, and stay humble, do good, and stay connected. Thank you,
Thank you
Neha.
so much, sir, once again for this wonderful opportunity. This
Yeah.
was one of the dream, and
Okay.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
So this is the power of visualization, guys.
राइट नेहा, अभी नेहा टॉक अबाउट विजुअलाइजेशन ना. सो हम लोग पास्ट को तो क्योंकि हम देख के आ चुके हैं बोलते हैं, बट विजुअलाइजेशन इज द मैजिक, लाइक यू कैन ब्रिंग योर फ्यूचर टू प्रेजेंट. सो गाइज, अगर आपको विजुअलाइजेशन की पावर नहीं पता है तो अभी स्टार्ट कर दो, आपको क्या गोल अचीव करना है, एंड आफ्टर सम डेज यू विल अचीव इट. थैंक यू गाइज, थैंक यू फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन, एंड विल come again with some another guest and some other topic. Thank you so much, guys.